My name is Satyam and this is day 4 of my interview prep journey. In this video we will solve problem around binary tree. The problem called tree levels. So basically we need to get the levels all the level of or in a binary tree. So right, basically let's understand first what the problem statement. Basically we need to write a function tree levels that takes in the root of a binary tree. The functions will return a two-dimensional array where each subarray represents a level of the tree. Okay, so for example, um, we have this binary tree. We need to get the all the levels, right? So this should be here, this should be here, this should be here. Okay, so let's suppose if we have this binary tree, right? So the level would be here first here. uh, my bad. Second would be here, right? Third would be here. So it has three levels with A, B, C, D, E, F, right? So to solve this problem, first let's understand um, what is exactly level, right? And try to understand some pattern here. So we know that first will be here of the root or the head of a binary tree would be level 0, right? Let's say, right, its children would be uh, 0 plus 1, right, which is right, and its children would be 1 plus 1, right, which is 2, and which is 1. Okay, so let's understand, let's basically uh, try to understand this, and then try to solve this, right? So we can use iteration, we can use by recursion, we can use depth first, we can use breadth first, anything, but we just need to know about the levels, right? So basically we need to store some level information when we are stacking our current node or queuing our current node. So yeah, let's try to solve this problem. So I'll try to solve this problem with stack. So I'll create stack. It should be node because it should have the level information. So it has node and level should be 0 because currently is 0, right? Currently it is root, so it should be level 0. I can create a levels array where I will push, right? So it's fine. Again I'll traverse through binary tree. If root do not root stack length is less than 0, I can get the node and level from the currently removed item. So stack dot pop. Okay, now we will check now we basically need to add our element in the levels at correct or at correct index, basically, right? So let's try to do this. Basically I will check first if level is equal to undefined, which means which means uh, at particular index we doesn't have any items in levels. So should, if it's the case, it should return undefined. There can be multiple ways to write this condition, but I'll just prefer this. It looks fine. Okay, what I will do is create a particular index, and label. I can add to the index node dot value. Okay, if it's not the case, which means it has before, so I can just push node dot value. Okay, now I can just use if um, current or node dot write, yeah, node dot write is not equal to null, I can just push to the stack our node dot write. I can do same for the left. This looks fine. I can just return the result, return the levels. Okay, now test it, check if we made any mistake. Hopefully we will make mistakes. Okay, yeah, node dot val is okay. Okay, we cannot return like this because it should be node and level would be +1. It should be here. This looks fine. No. Okay, now let's test it. Okay, can you read node dot. Yeah, is it? Okay, okay, so we have passed the test. Okay, so basically we are failing in the empty binary tree, so I can just add condition here. If root is equal to null, I can just return. Okay, so this looks fine. Let's test it. Okay, so we have completed this task. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye. Bye.